Alright, this is a tutorial on how to repair your Craftsman half inch, 3 inch, or 1/4 driver. This one broke because I was trying to change a wheel hub instead of an impact. So the driver broke right there. First, you're going to remove the C-clip. Once you remove the C-clip, remove the shim with the half-inch drive. When you do that, the ratchet gear will come out along with a ball and a spring that's in the housing. Note the placement of the spring housing right there. I went to Sears and got everything for free since it's a Craftsman, but here's a layout of the parts. It comes with a new spring, a ball, pin selector, ratchet gear, a new half-inch drive, a shim, and a C-clip. Here's the process. Place the spring first into the spring housing. Next, you're going to place the metal ball on top of the spring. You must place the selector selector first before the gear. When you place it at 0 degrees, which means the selector is facing directly down. It's facing directly down. Once it's facing down, you're going to replace the ratchet gear at also 0 degrees. And there's a housing, which means there's a little groove right there, which means you can only put it in one way. The one with the engraved groove is going inside at an angle to press the ball into the spring. Once you do that, you can move the ratchet selector and note that it pushes the ball in and out, so you can switch which direction you're going into. Next, you're going to place a half-inch driver. Craftsman says the ball pin has to be up, but it doesn't. That's just a point of reference. Next, you're going to place the shim and replace it with the new C-clip. Replace the new C-clip and make sure it's in the groove. And there you go. You have a new half-inch drive, or 3/8, whatever.